Hi everyone, welcome back. And I came back to make a correction here and add this. So this channel here is pens. I put a video up last night, and the other one is for like outerworldly, otherworldly, and this one is more for earthly. Survival techniques, outdoor camping. He's gonna go across a lot of different things, go through a lot. Supplies such as, fires and flashlights, batteries, knives, compasses. He'll go over why he packs what he packs, the things you need, all kinds of different things. There's so many techniques that you could pick up from him. You'll really enjoy it. And he's a lot of fun. He's a nice guy. So anyways, I came back to point this out. The one with the guitar is outdoors. And the one with the guy on it is outerworldly. Alright, thanks. I'll see ya. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Sorry, pen.